It is absolutely a big, big deal for us to have the NYSUT conference here in Rochester, and I am so happy that you are here. Yes, please applaud.
My wife, my mother, my father-in-law, my grandmother, who started the Bello family tradition of education, were all members of NYSUT. So I feel that connection to the world of teaching my whole life.
Without struggle, there is no progress. So that means that we will have to have struggles. But I know, because I live in a NYSUT household, that NYSUT is always on the front lines.
We know that people deserve to be paid well for the work that you do, with no exceptions.
You know, you all reached out to us and you asked us to pay attention to the studies that show that smartphones in school negatively affects students, their academic performance, social and emotional growth, and mental health. That they cause interruptions to social interaction and to face-to-face communication, which are invaluable to social development and relationship building. Teachers have been on the forefront of raising the alarm about smartphones and bullying and exposing students to toxic content and exploitation. Experiences that not only affects their confidence, but their ability to participate in the school day, to focus, to be in the moment, just to be a kid. You used your teacher voice to bring this to our attention, and we listened. Without NYSUT and your advocacy, this important policy would not be happening. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I understand that this year's convention theme is equality, progress, play. This is not lost on me or this great city, no matter what you look like. No matter where you come from, what your abilities, who you love, or how you identify. We all have dignity. And with that dignity, we deserve equity, justice, and opportunities.